Hello dear friends, this is Dr. Aminulchem. Welcome to my channel. In my previous video, I explained various aspects of adsorption and surface chemistry. These videos have been very popular. Therefore, in this video, I would like to explain what is Hill adsorption kinetic model. This video is very important, so please do not skip. Well, Hill adsorption kinetic model can be written as Ut equal to Qm T divided by tau to the power A divided by 1 plus T divided by tau to the power A, where T 50% equal to tau equal to K into Qm to the power minus 1 divided by A. Tau 50% indicates the time required to adsorb 1/2 of the maximum adsorbed quantity, and Pt is the amount adsorbed at time t. Qm is maximum adsorption capacity. A is the global fractal time index for fractal diffusion adsorption kinetic arising from geometric and energetic heterogeneity of adsorbance. So this is the reference from which most of the informations have been collected. Thanks for watching. In my next video, I will explain various aspects of adsorption and column adsorption kinetic models. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe Aminulchem, like, comment, share for new updates.